Dewan Rakyat rejected over 30 parliamentary questions related to 1MDB today, saying the issue is still under trial and therefore prohibited from public discussion. Opposition MPs were seeking answers to a whole range of questions, from Putrajaya's stance on the US DOJ's lawsuits linked to 1MDB, to whether the government would accept the return of the cash and assets allegedly siphoned from 1MDB and seized by the US. Citing Dewan Rakyat Deputy Speaker Ismail Mohammed Said, Bernama reports that the questions were thrown out as they would be sub judice. He is cited as saying that the decision was made by Speaker Pandekar Amin Mulia and that it was final according to Standing Order 99. The opposition lawmakers say they now plan to file a motion to challenge this decision. CIMB subsidiary Touch 'n Go has entered into an equity JV with Alipay to launch a new mobile e-wallet platform in Malaysia. Alipay is a subsidiary of Ant Financial. Group CEO Tengku Zafrul Aziz says this is a landmark deal premised on a clearly synergistic partnership. With the new e-wallet, Touch 'n Go users will get access to more services on their mobile phones, including for e-commerce. Currently, Alipay users can do a wide variety of things, from hailing a taxi to making a doctor's appointment. Touch 'n Go will participate as a majority shareholder in the venture, while Alipay will be a minority shareholder. Grab has bagged $2 billion in new financing from Didi Chuxing and SoftBank. This is the largest single financing in Southeast Asia. It's also expecting an additional $500 million from existing and new investors, bringing the total raise in this round to $2.5 billion. Group CEO says with their support, Grab will achieve an unassailable market lead in ride-sharing and build on this to make GrabPay the region's payment solution of choice. Citing a source, Financial Times says the latest round of investment gives the company a valuation of more than $6 billion. Grab currently operates the largest transportation network in Southeast Asia, claiming a market share of 71% in private ride-hailing in the region, with nearly 3 million daily rides. Putrajaya says the ringgit has stabilized, rising 4.6% on July 21st against the US dollar from the start of the year. According to Bernama, Second Finance Minister Johari Abdul Ghani says that the increase was due to the rise in crude oil prices in the first half of 2017, as well as the inflow of non-resident portfolio funds into the Malaysian financial market. Not only that, increasingly positive Malaysian economic indicators such as higher exports growth and GDP also helped to boost investor sentiment. Bank Negara's market development measures, which it introduced at the end of 2016, also played a big role. As of this evening, the local currency was hovering at just under 4.3 against the dollar. The Malaysian automotive industry saw a 3.3% growth in vehicle sales for the first 6 months of 2017. Crossing the half-year mark, the Malaysian Automotive Association says vehicle sales improved by nearly 9,000 units to about 284,461. This is equivalent to 48.2% of MAA's original 2017 forecast of 590,000 units. The sector didn't do too well in June though, with sales volume falling 12%. But this is due to the short working month with Hari Raya holidays in the mix. Meanwhile, vehicle production dropped 2.9% or by 7,645 units in the first half of the year as automobile manufacturers adopt a wait-and-see policy given the soft market conditions. However, MAA President Aisha Ahmad says the association is maintaining its original forecast for the year as things should start looking up going forward.